Well, ladies and gentlemen, what do we have here? I got pissed off taking the top manifold nuts off. Nothing's broken or sheared because everything has been doubly defaulted. Something that's been missing from a lot of YouTube videos. Yeah. New clutch, reader system. You see a lot of RS photos online, but you never ever see the full workings. Ian Howe Area 6 engine, and I'm not going to show you the state of the engine bay because I fucking forgot to put on the steering column cover. What a knob, eh? I am the new guy making the mistakes on the focusrs. Do you remember that guy that used to put the air filter upside down? I'm not going to say his name, but some of you might know who he is. Sorry, man. I used to love watching his videos though, but I missed the fact that he sold the RS. It's just titled it, How Not to Look After RS. Yeah, I've reinstalled the aircon pump. It's not belted up yet. So what happened to me was, while driving in, whenever a speed hump in Istanbul, and see the bracket there for the alternator, it cracked, and as soon as I went over the speed hump, the idle just went to shit, and I couldn't work out what it was for the life of me. We've done everything. We concrete sealed the fucking throttle body. We went for a smoke test, and the guy goes, I've never seen a car like this that doesn't leak air. So in the end, it weren't till I came back to the UK and I took the alternator off to see, let me see if the alternator's screwing up the idle. And lo and behold, as soon as I took the alternator off, the bracket crumbled. So what happened was, the bracket, because it put everything out of line, it caused the water pump to disintegrate. And Ian Howe told me to check the clearances on the water pump when I had it done at SP Water Pumps, and I didn't listen to him, and the water pump went in Croatia, and I had to leave the car in Croatia, come back to the UK, put all my tools in the Fiat, drive to Calais, and then put all my tools in the hire car that they gave me to get to Calais. I'm going to do a video about that as well because it's such a crazy story. Do not get Euro assistance. They do not fucking help you at all. But anyway, that's the situation at the moment. We're gonna check my helicoil that I've done on there. Inlet manifold is good. I've gone like with a standard inlet manifold because we've got the Siemens injectors. And that's about it for now for this segment of the video. So we're in the last bolt. Let's take it off together, eh? See the state of the exhaust manifold together. So, have a look. One more bolt. You know what, right? These bolts are the most. This is, you find me a more awkward manifold to install, please. I'll install it. Yep. You wee bastard, yeah. Aye. Aye, it's a wee bastard, that one. I forgot, you got to put it in. You got to put this one in as you're installing it, because there's no room for it to come out. So let's take it off and see the condition. Let's see what we can see was blowing. Why, aye, Gwendolyn, it was blowing quite a bit there. Aye, it was blowing all the way. That's all WD-40 I sprayed, but yeah, you can see it was blowing a little bit. Oh dear, I hope I was recorded before. Anyway, this is the state of the exhaust manifolds. Nice clean burn there on the inside, if you don't mind me saying so. Yeah, okay, let's chuck this in the bin. We've got a new one indoors. Good, no leaks from the, oh, do we have oil leaks from the, might do this again. No, we don't have any oil leaks from the breather. Yeah, slight weeping, we'll do that again. I'm going to take that off, do that again. Got me H sleeve for me wiring. Got me H sleeve. You know, I bought this. And they're like, yeah, it's 19 mil. And I bought the hose from the same place. Yeah, he goes, yeah, it'll fit over, mate. Bollocks. Fucking bollocks. Got the temperature sensor ready to be wired up for the gauge. Gonna clean all this up in a bit. Cleaning. No broken bolts. No shid, nothing. This spread WD-40 in here. So what happened was, what I did was, when I installed this clutch, it felt beautiful. It feels absolutely magnificent. Perfect biting point, everything. And it just started to make a funny noise. So I'm going to whip it off and have a look, make sure it's I've lined it up properly. And yeah, so to all the RS focus enthusiasts, I do apologise. I know all your cars are mint. Mine's probably the worst in the country. It is a reshell. My plan is to get that mint, acid dipped, blah de blah de blah. I want to get it running so my daughter can drive it, but get that acid dipped and mint, blah de blah de blah. That's not a reshell. It's a genuine strong shell. It's on 3 axle stand, so the shell is beautiful. This fucking thing, fucking hell. It's a reshell, but I thought it was reshelled like 10 years ago or 15 years ago. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm ahead in the rust game. But no, he reshelled it way back, like in 2004, whatever. No one's fault. There's nothing wrong with that. I just was under the wrong assumption. And and you know what they say, and then I started to see rust, but I've sorted a lot of the rust. There's just one rust hole to deal with on the side skirt, and that's it. It's not an MOT failure, it's not structural, just a little hole, just needs patching up. I'm going to learn welding as well. That's it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Don't know if this is going to be part of a longer video or if I'm going to post this as a short update. Yeah, there she blows. Take it easy. So just a little better view. It looks nice like that in white, isn't it? I'm going to try to stop saying in it. I haven't even driven the car. I literally done a biting point while the car was stood still. And what have I done wrong? And this is the clutch. That's the state it's in. I haven't driven it. I just installed it and then done the biting point. It felt really, really, really good. It felt fantastic. We was talking about, you know, why the other one felt heavy and what have you. And I think it's because I installed it wrong, because as soon as I unbolted everything, it kind of like felt like it fell into place, but I still wanted to take it off and check and show you so that you can say, oh look, you've done that wrong. You know, why is there all that dust there at the bottom, mate? Well, at least we've got no leaks. Bone dry. Each time I record now, I have to remember to go into 4K HD. Yep, doing the RS makes you go crazy. So, I just had the issue taking off the belt. And I thought I'd show you this. Sorry about the state of the car, man. Remember, I drive this across Europe. This does not sit in a museum. Check this shit out. I can't even look. Alternator seized. Lucky I weren't driving that. Lucky I wasn't driving that. Let's get a new cam cover. So yeah, look. Alternators seized like a motherfucker. Send it. Do a Lee Lockwood, innit? Send it. No, I'm joking. Yeah. I love watching that going. Oh shit. That's it. Jim, round off the bolts. Why don't you, son? Oh my god. Oh my. What the fuck is going on? Is that the alternator busted? Hey. Do you know what? I torqued these up, you know. I've only just bought this impact gun. I torqued all these bolts up. Why have they? My muscles hurt so much. You won't believe. So cold. Is that the alternator that's blown up? Let's have a look together. I've never done this on YouTube before. Yeah, I think it's the alternator that's cracked. Look at that. Look at, we saved it just in time, guys. We saved it just in time. Chuck that in the bin. This was a good alternator as well, man. It was running sick. Oh, fuck. So it was charging 14 volt. No, it weren't. It was shit. That's why I've taken it apart, because I'm like, what the fuck's wrong with my car? Well, we saved it, guys. We saved it. We didn't break anything. Oh, my helicoils are good, though. Yeah.
That's the update. Time to go eat.